Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dami. You all know I'm a student here in the Philippines. I've not been consistent on my YouTube channel lately. That's because last semester was my final semester of college. It was a little bit hectic because I had a lot of exam and my mock board. I was so afraid and I had to prioritize the main reason why I came to the Philippines. And thank God we are here now. Your girl is graduating and I'm so excited. And also I wanted to say Happy New Year to all of you. Wishing you guys amazing 2025. Mine is starting with graduation and I thought to show you guys my pictorial behind the scene and also my graduation day. So guys, keep watching.
Nooy munting bata, inaakay, inaalala yung bawat paghapang. Ngayon'y nakatayo sa aking mga paa. Salamat aking nanay, aking tatay.
Wala akong sapat na salita, walang katumbas nung pag-abka. Ngayon kayo'y matanda at nanghihina. Ako ngayon ang dapat magdala.
An eternity later.
Please be seated. Good morning. Masantos yung kabwasan at si kayo nami. Naimbaga bigat yung amin. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Good morning to everyone. Kindly greet your seatmate. Good morning. Happy graduation day. I am proud of you. Yan. hands. And lagay nyo nga yung kanang kamay nyo sa inyong dibdib. I'm proud of myself. Yes, you should own your own success.
Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Adipo Olowata Milola E. Agasco.
Riley Sagisi